Hello everyone, I'm Marianne DeMacy and this is MD Reports. After nearly 20 years on the childhood immunisation schedule, the HPV vaccine is now being formally re-examined in the United States, a development that could have real implications for vaccine policy. The CDC's Vaccine Advisory Committee, known as ACIP, has convened a new work group to take a fresh look at the vaccine's evidence base. It will be evaluating vaccine effectiveness, safety, dosing, and long-term population outcomes. The group will be led by MIT professor Recep Levy, a current ACIP member, who is fast gaining a reputation for bold challenges to vaccine science. This is part of ACIP's charter to revisit vaccine recommendations at least every 7 years. The HPV vaccine was approved in 2006, and for almost 2 decades, previous ACIP members largely moved in one direction, expanding eligibility, strengthening uptake, and adding new indications. Now that approach appears to be shifting, as the terms of reference for this new work group have been updated. The HPV vaccine is unique in that any benefit in terms of preventing cancer is only expected to emerge decades after vaccination. But if a serious vaccine injury occurs, that young person affected could be living with lifelong consequences. That's why the trade-off between benefit and harm needs to be carefully considered when vaccinating healthy young teenagers. I spoke briefly with Professor Levy about his plans for the work group, and while he remains tight-lipped about who will be on the team, he described the review as a major undertaking, one that will require careful long-term analysis rather than assumptions carried over from the past. For the full investigation, please visit my Substack, MD Reports. Just click on the link below to subscribe.